So come along with me while we fix this old dining table. It looks like somebody made a sat on it, but the leg definitely came apart. So we're going to turn this over. It's a nice little carpet, so everything will be protected. We've got dowels here to put back together. The real problem is down here. We've got one nail holding this in. I'll be using some wood glue. This is Gorilla Wood Glue because that's what the hardware store had. I don't normally carry wood glue with me because most of my tools go and get frozen all the time, so what's the point of having wood glue if it's frozen? So we're putting this in the mortise and the tenon so that when everything goes back together, there's going to be plenty of glue. It's nice that it holds itself together, but we still need to clamp this. If this was my house and we didn't have guests coming in anytime soon, this is probably where I would stop, as I'll just clamp it together and let the glue dry. It'd probably be fine after that. But since we don't have time, there are guests arriving in a couple of hours. We're going to do what a lot of carpenters do not want to see, a metal bracket. This means that we don't have to wait for the glue to dry. We can take the clamp off like immediately. And I am pre-drilling all of these holes. I think that's important, especially with hardwoods. Also choosing the right size drill bit. I did actually put that last screw in later. So now putting everything back up right the way it was. The leg is now fixed. Except, remember where that one nail was? We need more than just a nail. Every handyman has to have deck screws. That's what we're going to be putting in here. So pre-drilling, but with a larger drill bit because it's a bigger screw. Now we have to clean this up because this is a short-term rental. I always check the bag just to make sure it's not over full. We can take that clamp off while it's easy to get to. And this is just a normal ratchet strap. Put the leaves back in the table. And then probably one of the most important things is that it gets vacuumed. Yes. When the breaker flips, you have to turn it off and then on. Now the electricity is back on, we can finish vacuuming. Placing the table back where it belongs. And don't you love the sound of the vacuum actually catching things? Sucking them up. So now it's fixed. We're all ready for guests now.